morning, students. 10th class chemistry, chapter 2, part 8. Calcium oxide, CaO. The number of valence electron of a calcium atom. Calcium atomic number 20 is 2, outermost shell 2, and that of an oxygen atom is 6. Atomic number is 6. That is, oxygen requires 2 electrons to attain octet. In the presence of oxygen, each calcium atom loses its 2 valence electron to one oxygen atom. As a result, the calcium atom forms a calcium ion with charge +2, calcium +2 charge, and the oxygen atom forms an oxide ion with charge -2, that is oxygen -2 charge. Since only one oxygen atom is needed to accept the 2 valence electron donated by a calcium atom, the formula of calcium oxide is CaO and not Ca2O2. Here there is a formation of a calcium oxide. Let's see an example. Calcium. This is the orbital structure of calcium. Shells K, L, M, N. Here C, 2 electron in the outermost shell, 1, 2. This calcium 2 electron is going to lose. At the same time, another atom, that is oxygen atom, going to gain this 2 electron. For what this oxygen is going to gain? To complete its octet or to become stable. Oxygen atomic number is 8. Electronic configuration 2, 6. Outermost 6 electron is there. It needed 2 more electron to complete its octet, and thus oxygen gained the electron, calcium loses the electron, and there is a formation of the calcium oxide. This is before formation, this is after formation. Here we can see the calcium ion. Electronic configuration is 288. It becomes stable. 2 electron from the outermost shell is loses. Here this is the oxygen ion. Completed its octet. Now its electronic configuration is 28. Charge is -2. You can see the example. Calcium removing 2 electron, forming calcium ion or called as cation. See the electronic configuration 2882. 2 outermost shell electrons are there. In the ion there is 2 outermost electron loses. Oxygen atom 2, 6 electronic configuration. Here there is addition of 2 electron. This 2 electron of calcium which is adding in the oxygen and forming the oxygen anion, that is 28, and this is the anion of charge -2. Electron dot structure of calcium oxide. Calcium losing 2 electrons. Here these are the 2 electrons loses by the calcium, and oxygen gaining these 2 electrons. These are the electrons present in the outermost shell of the oxygen, 6. Here this process is taking place. Now the calcium loses the electron and oxygen gains the electron, as there is a formation of calcium oxide represented by the electron dot structure. In the formation of an electrovalent bond, the transfer of electron is involved. The electropositive atom undergo oxidation while the electronegative atom undergo reduction. Very important point, electropositive atom undergo oxidation and the electronegative atom undergo reduction. And this process is known as a redox process. For example, formation of sodium chloride. Sodium chloride, we know, we did this example. Sodium chloride formed by the combination of sodium and chlorine. Here 2 atoms of sodium and chlorine molecule is adding and forming the sodium chloride, that is a sodium charge positive and chlorine negative. The reaction can be written as the 2-half reaction. When we are expressing the oxidation process and the reduction process, then this reaction is called as a half reaction. 2 sodium atom producing the 2 sodium atom removing 2 electrons and forming the positive charge. Chlorine molecule contain 2 atoms of chlorine, adding 2 electrons and forming the chlorine ion by the reduction. See here in this example, sodium plus chlorine molecule producing sodium ion and the chlorine ion. This full reaction is called as a redox reaction, and if you make it half-half, then there is an oxidation reaction involved and the reduction reaction involved. See here, sodium atom get converted into a sodium ion is an oxidation reaction, and chlorine molecule get converted into a chlorine ions known as a reduction reaction.